Page 12 and page 13 for homework today. We're going to start with number 1. Okay? Number 1, if A is equal to 2B, then A minus C equals 2B minus C. So what property did we use? If A is equal to 2B, then A minus C equals 2B minus C. What did we do on both sides?
It's pretty much the same thing, except it's...
We didn't add, we subtracted.
Yeah.
We subtracted both sides with C. So, 1 is B.
I
have a question, how?
Okay? Do you see how A and 2B are the same thing? All right? A and 2B are the same thing. All right? So, if I subtract C from both of them, they're still going to be the same number. So that's the subtraction property of equality.
I bet number 2
But
is
normally
not
you would add, get the answer.
Right. This is saying, this is almost like this is what was before it. Okay? All right? So that's why they say minus C. All right. Who thinks that they have 2? What do you think the answer for 2 is? X is equal to X.
H.
Not H.
G.
G, reflexive.
What's up?
Same thing. Okay? On reflexive, it's the same thing. Oh, did anybody's parents not see the schedule?
Oh, I had it forwarded to me.
Great.
I was like, wow, I had no clue. I can't stand my mother at this point. Just at this point. Just like last night.
It's on. You're on video there, buddy. Okay. So we're not gonna say who that was. Okay. All right. Okay. So nobody tell that it was Max. All right.
Shut up, Will. But it was sad.
All right. Number 3. What I do there? Distribute. Letter E.
Wait, what's number? What's
Okay. Letter E.
What was number 2?
What talk?
G.
Like I said.
G. Okay. Number 4. D. Division. Divided both sides by -7.
No, I literally just did it.
I don't know.
Okay. All right, Shelby. Number 5.
Haha. Hold on. If n plus n equals 15 and n equals 2, then m plus 2 equals 15.
So what do we do there?
F.
Yep, substituted. All right. Evie, number 6.
Oh no, I'm not ready.
Yes, you are.
Good luck. C.
C is correct.
Boom. I didn't even have to read it out loud.
All right. Let's see here. Carter, number 7.
G.
Nope.
We've already used G.
Yeah.
Sorry, G. It's H. What?
It's definitely not H, and yours.
So it's A. Yeah, I'm
Yeah.
Mr. Harper, I'd like to take this one over and say it's A.
It's I. Transitive. Okay. All right. Number 7. Okay, 7. W squared equals 2x. 2x is equal to y. Then w squared is equal to y. Is I. Transitive.
Oh.
Okay. Number 8. Everett. Everett.
There's only 2 letters.
A. All right. And Will, you get the tough one. What's left?
G.
No, we've already used G.
6.
H.
H.
I gotta
40.
look at the letters.
Thank you, Will. Letter H. All right.
Oh, I thought you were supposed to
All right, let's take a look at the first proof. Okay? Take a look at the first proof. Okay, I have negative x. Okay, negative x and x minus 3.
I know the first reason.
Okay, the first proof, number 10.
Given.
Okay, x minus 3. Okay, and it equals negative 32.
Given.
And thank you.
Wow, Zach.
And it is a 4-step proof, so I know that this is what I need to prove is at number 4. All right, so number 2, what do I do with the negative 8?
You
Distribute. Okay, so negative 8 plus 24 equals negative 32. Okay, distribute. Okay, I distribute. Okay, then I'm going to subtract 24. So negative x squared is equal to negative 32. So I would use subtraction. Okay, then x is equal to 7, division.
8 times 7 is 32.
No, when you subtract 24 from 32, you get, oh, sorry, that should be 56. My bad. Thank you for catching it, Zach. All right. And that's also a way for you to check. If you get to this point, okay, and like Zach said, I had negative x is equal to negative 32. If your next step isn't the solving, okay, then isn't correct, then you know, okay, there's something else up here that's not right. I need to change it. Okay, any questions on the first one? Okay. All right, so negative 16 equals m over 5 minus 18. That's given. Okay. It is a 4-step process. M is equal to 10. All right. One of the things that with all of the proofs that we're going to do, okay, I'm going to make sure that whatever table you have, okay, that it's going to be, this is how many proofs you need. So whenever you're filling it out, you know I need to put given at line 1, reason is given, and this is what I'm looking to prove. That's the last thing. All right. So what's going to be my first step?
Given.
Multiplication.
Oh.
Nope.
Addition.
Addition. So this is going to be 2 is equal to m over 5. So we added. Okay, so we had addition to both sides. Okay, then what's the next step? Yeah, multiplied both sides.
Show me this is baby work.
But why don't you divide, like, why don't you multiply 5 times itself and then 5 times negative 16?
You do.
Because that is out of order.
Yeah.
Because you have, whenever you're solving for a variable, you're always working PEMDAS in reverse. So you always have to take care of your addition and subtraction first before you can move on to multiplication and division.
Okay.
So I have 10 is equal to m, but what I'm required to prove is that m is equal to 10. So when this happens, that's symmetric. Okay, symmetric. All right, any questions on 11? Okay. Problem 12. All right, so question 12, I have 2y minus 1 over negative 3 is equal to negative 5.
You have to rewrite it like this each time.
Yep, it's given. All right, it's a 5-step process.
I thought it was 4.
It's 4.
On question, oh, sorry, looked at the one down below, thank you. It's a 4-step process. Okay, and y is equal to 8. All right, so what's our first step?
Multiplication.
Multiply. I've got to get it out from under the denominator. So I have 2y minus 1 equals a positive 15. Okay? Multiplication.
And then addition.
Okay, then I'm going to add 1 to both sides. That's addition.
And then division.
Then divide.
Yeah.
Okay? Everybody good with that?
That
Okay.
was kind of easy.
All right. Any questions, comments, concerns, complaints, criticisms, or critiques?
Oh, good. G.
Okay. Here we go. Okay. Now this one's a 5-step. Okay. That part I know. Always start out with what they give us. 2x plus 30 equals -4 and 5x minus 2. Okay, that's given. It's a 5-step proof. So on number 5, they ask us to prove that x is equal to -1. Okay, first step. First step, everyone. Distribute. Okay.
I can't even say it. I'm sorry.
2x plus 30 equals -20x plus 8. Okay? Distribute.
Are we allowed to like abbreviate, like add instead of addition?
Yes, that's fine.
That's what I do.
Okay?
No one asked what you did.
All right. Then the next step. Okay? You can do subtraction of 30, or you can do subtraction of 2x, or you can add 20x, or subtract 8. You have multiple options here, all right? So I'm going to add 20x, and so there I have 22x plus 30 equals 8. So I added. Okay? So I added. Now,
Whose is this?
next step. What am I going to do with the 30? Now I don't have a choice. I have to subtract the 30. So I have 22x is equal to,
Has anyone seen that green pencil?
okay,
No, my green pencil.
subtraction. Okay? Then, what's my last step?
Division.
Division. Okay?
No, that's not my green pencil. Zach, have you seen my green pencil?
Division.
That I have.
Any questions? All right? We good with 13? Okay, last one. Number 14.
I can't say that.
Shh, quiet. All right. Okay, we're given. This is a 6-step process. 18x minus 2. Okay, parenthesis 3x plus 1 equals. Okay, 5x minus 16. Now, we're going to do something, a new step that I have not introduced to you. So this is x is equal to -2. All right, I'm going to distribute. Okay, so that's step 1. 18x minus 6x minus 2 equals 5x minus 16. Okay? Distribute. Okay, then my next step. Okay, I take 18x minus 6x, 12x minus 2, 5x minus 16, and this is simplify. Simplify. Okay, next step, I got to subtract 5x from both sides. So I have 7x minus 2 equals negative 16. Okay, and that's going to be subtraction. Okay? All right, then I add 2 to both sides with addition. Okay, then of course, division at the end. Yes. Yes, sir.
Yeah, you asked that at the same time, everybody. And it's on video too. So
All right.
go back and look.
Okay.
Why are you so rude?
Okay, so 7x is equal to negative 14. Divide by 7, x is negative 2. We've done what we were wanting to do. Okay, any questions on page 12 and 13? Y'all feel good about it?
I feel good.
All right.
It's just a commercial.